My name is Patrick Flater. I'm the owner of PJF Plumbing and Heating. I've been doing plumbing for 33 years, although this has been my company for the past 9. I've been dealing with Navien since 2008 when they came into the United States, and they're now on their 3rd generation of products. We're here in Lamont, Illinois. Today in a residential home, we installed a Navien NFC 175 fire tube combi. Included in the box with the NFC 175 is the air vent relief valve tree, which would normally have to be built, but due to the fact that it comes all pre-assembled, all you have to do is screw in the air vent and the relief valve. There's also a side port that allows for a high water cutoff. The stainless steel manifold that comes included in the box is a great accessory as well. It saves you the time from actually having to build your primary loop. It comes with dielectric unions on both sides to prevent electrolysis from any of your existing piping that you're going to connect to it. The Navi-Clean that comes included is designed to remove the rust and iron from your old cast iron radiators that can break down and get into your system, which also helps protect the inside of the new high efficiency boiler. One nice thing about the display on the NFC Combi series is that when you push the button, if the screen comes on blue, that means we're actually in heating mode. If the screen is green, that means we're in standby. And if the screen is red, that means we have an error. If we go up here to the M button for menu, you can see that we can just scroll down. Everything's in plain English. Very easy to tell what section you're in. The cover is super easy to remove. It doesn't require any tools. There's 2 clips on the bottom, and there's 2 clips just like it up on the top. You just unclip it and lift the cover off. The Navien NFC Combi has a 95% AFUE efficiency rating, which allows us to vent it in 2-inch PVC, which substantially lowers your installation costs. The Navien NFC Combi unit is field modifiable, whether you have natural gas or LP gas. All the parts come with it to be able to convert from one to the other. The top section is the fire tube boiler section, and this lower section is the domestic heat section. The domestic side of the Combi now contains a mixing valve, a flow adjustment valve, and a newly located 3-way valve, which makes service much easier. The redesigned circuit board now eliminates the need for an external zone control. It has room for up to 3 separate zones, as well as you wire your thermostats in on the opposite side of the board. In addition, there's also a common terminal which allows us to wire in power robbing or smart thermostats. If you choose to use an external recirculation pump, you can also program the external recirculation pump for either a timer situation or a temperature situation, all programmed right into the board and the control. The Navien Combi's default setting is Combi Preheat, which means the internal tank stays warmer and delivers domestic hot water quicker. This Combi unit will provide 175,000 BTUs on the heating side and will provide 199,000 BTUs on the domestic side, producing approximately 5 gallons a minute at a 77-degree rise. The entire time that we've been talking about the unit, this unit has been running, and as you can tell, it's extremely quiet. As an overview, the installation of the unit is very easy. From the mounting bracket to hanging the unit to all the time-consuming products that come included with the unit, as we mentioned earlier. Basically, all we have to do is connect the piping, connect the gas, your PVC venting, and some simple wiring because everything is already located within the unit. With all the accessories that were included with the unit, the time of installation was probably cut in half. I've been working with Navien for over 10 years, and from their quality of their product, the improvements that they have made from an already great product, to their tech support, which is located on both the East and West Coast, so it covers a huge time frame with all the time zone differences. I would greatly recommend this product to anybody.